Hi and welcome to this landing page where me and Julia have put together some resources. And Julia, I want to give you the credit for having the idea of running a landing page, because I think this is such a valuable resource for our new team leaders. So this is really a place for you as a new team leader. You've just completed your JTL possibly, or you might have been a leader for a few months, and kind of just giving you a bit of good resources and examples. We've just had some conversations and showing you how we are wanting to onboard our new consultant and really focusing on building that connection and building the rapport with people so that they really know that our heart is in helping them get what they want, because that's how you as a team leader, get lots of success and enjoy your job when your people actually are getting what they want out of this. So so we are really showcasing the Thermomix made kind of standard, the standard onboarding process. And Julia will talk about this a little bit more in a second. But yeah, we want you to really showcase to your new people that you're there as their team leader. You're there to guide them and support, and making sure that they get the best start in their business. So yeah, anything?
Excellent. Thanks, Meta. Yeah, and I totally agree that the whole, I guess the basis that we have put this together on is it's a tool like an onboarding kind of program that helps you build rapport and connection more than anything else. We can tend to get quite transactional when you're onboarding, tick this, do that, do that. So we wanted to bring a bit of warmth to it, I guess, and a bit of just showing you how at each interaction you can build further rapport and connection, because we know that when you have that, it just brings success for everyone. So we have how we've set this landing page up is that the first bit you'll see we've got I guess the little snake model of what onboarding looks like step by step. We are giving this to you with a real degree of flexibility. Some of you are going to want to pick it up and actually run it exactly as is, step by step, which is nothing wrong with when you're learning. Absolutely, this is what it's here for. Others, you might have some real skill sets in some areas and actually create some of your own resources and do it your way. By all means, please do that. We're just here to give you some ideas, and as Meta said, a bit of a launch pad into onboarding. So as your skills grow, I'm sure some of you will be able to actually do this so much better than Meta and I. Hey, Meta.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, also there will be some cases where you might do it a little bit different. Like for example, the prac training right at the very end. Some of you might actually end up doing that on the job, like at a launch demo. So there is a degree of flexibility, but we've just outlined what we believe are the key steps that are going to make a real difference to the
Yeah,
onboarding. So
absolutely.
this is designed as a tool for you as the team leader. So you don't share this landing page with the consultants. It's for you to guide you through how to help them. What we've also done is, and Meta's been the brains behind this one, is working towards also a landing page that you're going to be able to share with your consultants with loads of really useful resources that we believe a newcomer kind of needs. So what you can do on this one, there'll be some PDFs that you can download, and some of them we'll let you know which ones are resources that you can actually share. There'll be a couple of videos, again, YouTube videos you can download and use as part of your tools you'll share with them. So you own the structure and you download bits and pieces of it that you need at certain times.
100%. And I think this is really, you might come across something in this landing page that might be outdated. So just kind of double check with yourself, because we're recording this. It is middle of April. We're just at the start of the TM4U campaign, and hopefully this will be in a live document that will last a long time. But so if you're finding any references that kind of aren't current, then just bear in mind that they kind of currently, they do change and evolve, and we will try our best to keep things updated. So let us know if there is anything that you notice that is no longer up to date. But yeah, it's very much a living, breathing thing. And if you have any suggestions or something we can add that would be valuable for you, by all means, let us know. But have fun with this. And onboarding is such a special time, and we are trying to create some ways for you both to follow a system, but also with the consultant facing onboarding landing page. to help take a little bit of time back, and some things that we think are replicable, like, and you can actually do just send them a video for some things, or as a backstop if people have sick kids and miss the bookings and hosts or those kind of things. So these two will work together, but as Julia said, yeah, definitely don't share this one with your people, but have fun and enjoy the onboarding. It's just so cool to see your people come on board and have success. So yeah, anything you want to add?
Awesome. No, that's
No, get
fantastic.
stuck
So
in.
good luck, guys,
Yeah.
and have fun using it.